Okay, we're going to set up your propane firing. This is a Camp Chef. This is in the off position. This will just screw right in here. Couple quick tools. You're just gonna get it snug, that's all. And then we're gonna hook up the regulator to the propane tank. You'll stretch at your campsite, you'll stretch your propane tank away from the fire pit. Then there's not much to it. You'll open your tank, move flammables away, feed a little gas, and voila! So then we turn it off, turn the tank off. We're going to go ahead and loosen this. Disconnect it from the tank. The tank is off. Then there's not much to it. Just coil your gas hose in. Careful while you're unscrewing this because it's kind of a fragile connection here. Okay, and you can take all three of these, put it back in the propane bag,